Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed to me. We do a giveaway every 100 subscribers and we're on the road to 500 and I am so freaking psyched. I love it. We need to discuss a few things really fast. One, my hair. I stripped out a lot of the color. I had a video go up on it and you can see where like some pieces are way more blonde and some are still orangey. I just needed to stop before I melted my hair out. I didn't have a whole lot of breakage, but if you want to kind of see that process, a video went up on my channel last week of how I got rid of my black box hair color. Don't do that, people. Don't do that. Anywho, the other thing we need to discuss is that my eyeliner is 110% completely uneven, not even sisters. They're not even related. They're frenemies over here, okay? Don't judge it. We already know about it. It's okay. So today, you already know from the title above, but I wanted to do a simple, classic pinup smoky eye. This is a super simple look. It looks good on everybody's skin tone, any eye color, and any hair color. A simple, neutral pinup look looks so good on everybody, and they're super easy to do. People really freak out over the red lipstick, I think, but if you don't like red lipstick, you can go for a pretty pink. I mean, pinups didn't only wear bright red lipstick, so it's all right. So I'm gonna stop rambling and get off of here and get on into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it while you're watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm just saying, we're doing another giveaway. So also, my nails, ratchet, okay? They're ratchet. I'm gonna fix them later tonight, but I'm gonna stop talking. I can't stop talking. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna go on and get into the video, guys. Okay. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelid with the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I don't think I've used an eye primer since 2010. No lie. No lie right there. So for today, I want to go in with the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette. Ain't she pretty? She's very holographic and shiny, so it's very hard for me to show you guys what I'm doing, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, which is either Fancy Face or Bel Air. You know what? I'm gonna just point. I'm gonna put this in the crease, focusing it mainly on the outer corner, and once there's less product on the brush, Lord have mercy, I'm gonna bring it closer and closer. Lulu baby, what's wrong? Why are you on the bench? Y'all. Having a puppy and a 18-month-old by yourself is very similar, I feel, to having twins. It's terrible. So, sorry. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to go get him. Yup. I forgot to bring a toy in here for her. Excuse me. We're on the road. I feel like my eyeshadow is kind of patchier with this primer under it, but I'm not gonna be doing a wear test because it's 5:45 in the afternoon. I'm gonna go get my kid as soon as I get done filming. So now that we got this, we're gonna deepen it a little bit by taking this darker brown, and we're gonna repeat the same little moment here, blending a lot of it into the outer corner and the outer half of our eye, and then taking what's left and sweeping through the entire crease. Now I'm going to pick up a different crease brush, and that's simply so that this one doesn't get gross for my other eye, and I'm going to take just the tiniest a little bit of the matte black in here, and I'm going to place it down and kind of wipe my brush off and then do circular motions. And I'm not really putting much of this through my entire crease, really just that outer V area. We feeling it? Are we feeling it? Huh? So from what I have always understood was that back in the day, shimmer wasn't really a situation. They used lots of mattes, which if you want to kind of amp this up a little bit, they do have a really pretty lighter champagne-y shade in this palette that is super pretty. But I'm gonna take this matte cream shade, and we don't have to cut the crease or anything. This is taking me back to when I first started doing makeup, because I would literally put a cream shade right here, a medium brown shade right here, and a dark brown shade right here, and then I'd get like a huge brush. I don't even know if I have it anymore, but I'd take something like this, like just a huge fluffy brush, and just like windshield wiper back and forth to try to blend it. It never worked out for me. I always looked a little crazy, but that was my first kind of smoky eye. We're gonna take this matte cream shade, and we're pretty much just gonna I want you guys to know that I've been trying to film this one specific video all day long, literally all day long. It's been a mess, but it's okay. So what I was trying to say when we cut out, I don't know exactly when it stopped because my dad called me, but it's all right. I'm taking this matte cream shade and we're gonna pack it onto the like inner half of our eye. You don't have to cut your crease. The only way I could foresee you having to cut out your crease a little bit is if this dark side didn't blend it correctly. So now we're gonna go back in with the brush we had the brown eyeshadows on, and I'm not adding anything to it, and I'm just gonna fuse the dark and the light together a little bit better. I think my dad's just fucking with me at this point. He just called me back again. Anywho, I'm just marrying the two together right here and kind of blending into that crease just a little bit more. But the main thing with a pinup look is that it goes from light to dark. I.e., I used to just do light, medium, dark and kind of fudge them together in the centers, but you want it to have that really good whoosh, you know, the whoosh effect. This is pretty simple eyeshadow look. I'm gonna hop off of the screen really fast and do my other eye, like catch up my other eye, and do my face makeup and throw on my eyebrows, and we will be right back. This whole look is pretty simple, but I thought it'd be cool to record it, so I will be right back. I swear to God, I think my family has like a prank going on me, because my dad called me back one more time while I was doing my face makeup, and then my mom just called me while I was doing my eyebrows. It's insane. Okay, all I did for my face makeup was put some, man, my hair is doing some weird shit. It's weird that you guys can actually like see my hair, because I feel like when it was dark you couldn't really see it because my background is dark, and now I feel like you guys can really see my hair. Not the point. Moving on. I just put on some primer, some foundation, and the concealer and set my face. I didn't do bronzer or blush or highlight or anything like that because I wanted to do that with you guys. So, please don't break. Dear God, I thought I broke it. I already dropped it once and broke the lid off of it. We're gonna take the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Sunset Striptease. I normally use a big, huge fluffy brush. For today though, I'm gonna take a smaller angled fluffy brush. This is by Firma, it's the 103. And we're going to chisel out just a little bit. Being very careful of my eyebrow tails because I almost always do my eyebrows after my face makeup, like my whole face makeup. When I'm not filming, I do my face makeup, my eyebrows, and then my eyeshadow last. Well, I guess my lips last, but my eyeshadow does not go first. So, I'm just gonna lightly bronze. Not really bronze, kind of contouring more than anything. And in the 50s, they did all sorts of weird things to sculpt the face. And one of them was, when I cream contour, I put it under my bottom lip, but they would take and they would literally line the whole bottom lip. Very lightly. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it pretty on point. Here, all that does is make your lip look a little more plump. Yeah, for blush today, I don't wear blush very often, but when I do, I pretty much stick to peachy pink nudes. This is, of course, Milani's Luminoso. Oh, you just want very simple, neutral tones. So I'm just going to plop a little bit of Luminoso on. Flush cheeks were the shit. I mean, they're the shit now. I don't know. I just don't like the way blush looks on me. I don't wear it very often. And then for highlight, back in the day, I don't really know what they used. Most of the pictures are in black and white, so it's kind of hard to tell. But I am going to take this little shimmery, champagne-y color, and we're going to throw it on. I'm not going crazy. I mean, some people might think that's a little excessive, but I've become a huge fan of using eyeshadows for my highlight because I am liquid paper white, and most of the time I'm just doing the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose a little bit. Most of the time when companies like come out with a really good highlight that everyone talks about all the time, it ain't cute on me. It ain't cute on me. So that's pretty much it for the face portion. Let's go back to the eyes and finish that out. It's super simple. We're gonna take a little pencil brush and that first light brown shade we used, and we're gonna just buff that under our eye, focusing like we did on the top, mainly on this outer corner. And then I'm gonna do it on my other eye really fast. And then I'm gonna take, this is a pointed brush, and as you can see, I used mainly the side to do that brown, and I'm gonna take just the very tip now with the matte black on it, and just in the very outer edge. Throw a little black in there for a little definition. I feel like my eyes are not even. Now I'm going to kind of tight line. I'm gonna do my entire upper waterline, but on the lower waterline, I'm only gonna do about half C's. I would say that there's a very specific wing shape that pinups had, because there is, but they still tweaked it a little bit to go with that person's eye shape. Marilyn Monroe and Betty Page did not have the same wings. If you ever go back and look, their wing shapes are not the same. You just kind of want to do what looks good for you guys. They didn't do overly thick winged eyeliner, but you could definitely tell they had that wing on. I'm gonna do that really quickly. I'm gonna throw on a coat of mascara and some pretty wispy, not too dramatic eyelashes, and you definitely want some eyelashes that fan out like this and go from short to long on the outer corner. That's just gonna help. You want your whole eye shape, your whole face pretty much. You want light right here and out to darker. It's just what they did back then. So I'm gonna hop off of the camera one more time. We're gonna finish out the eye looks really quickly. I don't think I said, but I was talking about it, other people's wings. I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner, not too thick, but I am gonna make it my normal winged liner, just so it matches my eye shape a little bit better. And then I'm gonna do my lashes, and we will be back to finish out this look, guys. My wings did not come out good, okay? You have to promise me you won't even look at them. And I forgot to tell you something super, super, super important. You want your top liner to trail off to nothing on your inner corner. Totally forgot to tell you that. And you know how we only put the black eyeliner on the outer half of our waterline? We're gonna put cream. This is from Rimmel. It's the Exaggerate waterproof eyeliner. We're gonna put that on the inner half. Once again, you just want to accentuate. I don't have mascara on this lower lash line. Whoops. Really, the only thing dark you want on the inner half of your eyes is your eyelashes. Pretty simple look. And the last thing we're going to do in this look is a lip. When you think pinup, most people think winged eyeliner and red lips. So I don't really go for bright red, but I have been using the fuck out of my e.l.f. liquid lipstick that's in red. So this is Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade Ruler. And I'm going to quickly throw this on, and then we'll be done with this video. This is a way more muted red than I thought, but I'm really digging this. Yes. And I totally lied to you guys. Actually, the very last thing we're going to do is add some beauty marks. This is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Pencil in Black Brown. And I'm just going to take that. I'm going to put one about here. Oh, look at me go. And I'm going to give myself a Marilyn Monroe. Okay, that one came out a little bit bigger, but it's okay. I'm going to add a few more. That might have been too much right there, but it is okay. It's makeup. It washes off. We'll figure that out later. Let me, I don't know how to do a pinup inspired look, so this is as good as we're gonna get here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, this is a pretty simple, classic, easy, neutral, smoky eye. This is something that looks good on every single person, no matter what your skin tone is, no matter what your hair color is. It looks so good on everybody. A neutral, pin-up-y, smoky eye that is really, truly just light to dark, and you don't have to worry about cutting a crease or doing anything wild in it. Looks good on every single person. Winged liner, like I said, they had specific like trends in like the pin-up-y days, but everybody did it their own way. So, you know, do your winged liner how you like it, but the whole purpose of this is you want this area of your face to be light, and then veer out swear on my life, you want it to veer out into a darker color. It's all matte, it's all cool, and I love a good classic pinup look. I don't know about you, but I really like it. Leave me a comment down below with your favorite go-to eye look. Let me also know how you guys feel about my hair. I need to tone it again. It's a little orange. It's a little orange, but there's random parts in it that are not orange. There's random parts that are blonde as hell. So you know what? It's fine. Let me know how you feel about this makeup look, about my hair. Just say hey down in the comments down below. I love talking to you guys. You can also give the video a thumbs up down below, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, sometimes Sunday. We're trying to get back to that. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna get off of here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.